All right, guys, it's Wednesday, October 9th, 2024. Storm update. Waffle House is still open. Not only are they open, they're actually packed. They are busy. So, storm update. Waffle House is still open and thriving currently. It is about quarter to 12, about a little bit before noon on Wednesday, October 9th. Storm Milton is out in the Gulf, about to impact us in a little bit. It's been raining all morning. It's been kind of windy. Weather's getting kind of dicey, but Waffle House is still open.